In this video, we have been given that ABCD is a square and PQ is 3, CQ is 4, CP is 5 and CD is X. Then we have to find X. So ABCD, it is a square. That means AB, it will be equal to BC, it will be equal to CD, it will be equal to AD, and CD is X. So AB, it will be X, and BC, it will be X, and we have CP square is equal to CQ square plus PQ square, because CP square, it will be 5 square, that is 25, and CQ square plus PQ square, it will be 4 square plus 3 square, and it is 16 plus 9, that will be 25. So angle CQP, it will be 90 degrees. This angle, it will be 90 degrees, and now we know that ABCD is a square. That means these angles, they will be 90 degrees, and if this angle is alpha, then this angle, it will be 90 degrees minus alpha, and at point Q, this angle is 90 degrees minus alpha, this angle is 90 degrees, so this angle, it will be 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 90 degrees minus alpha, that will be alpha. So this angle, it is alpha, and now in triangle CBQ and triangle QAP, angle CBQ is equal to angle QAP, that is 90 degrees, and angle BCQ is equal to angle AQP, that is alpha. So triangle CBQ, it will be similar to triangle QAP. Hence CB over QA, it will be equal to CQ over QP, and CB is X over QA, it is equal to CQ is 4 over QP is 3. So QA, it will be X times 3 over 4. So QA, it will be 3x over 4. QA, it is 3x over 4. And now BQ, it will be AB minus AQ, and BQ, it will be equal to AB is X minus AQ is 3x over 4. That will be x over 4. So BQ, it is x over 4. And now in triangle CBQ, it is CBQ, this angle is 90 degrees. BQ is x over 4. BC is x. CQ is 4. And CQ square, it will be equal to CB square plus QB square by Pythagoras theorem. And CQ is 4 square, it is equal to CB is x square plus QB is x over 4 square, and it is 16 is equal to x square plus x square over 16, and 16, it will be 16x square plus x square over 16, and 16, it is 17x square over 16. So x square, it will be 16 times 16 over 17, and x, it will be root under 16 times 16 over 17. So x, it will be 16 over root 17. X, it is 16 over root 17